how to scan and crop. This is a video on how to scan and crop with Canon's MF toolbox. The scan functions have been set up for 8 different categories. I don't know why. They don't just make one category and tell you how to set them up. It doesn't make any sense. I'm going to go through each one of them and just explain something there. You go to mail. Now you look at this. File name is going to call it mail. So you type, let's look at the drop down here. You get JPEG and PDF. Okay, you can save it to a certain location. You can save it with a subfolder. Okay. Here you can adjust the image quality. No, you can't. How about the upper limit? Okay, there you go. Scan mode. Okay. Paper size. There you go. So that's mail. Now, I put a document in my scanner. I'm going to click start. If I change the defaults, let's see what we get. It pops up, creates the image, makes it a JPEG. Okay, but as you can see, you got all this space here on the side, left and below. I don't like that. This is where cropping comes in. Now I can crop it afterwards, but why not crop it before you can scan it? That's my thing. So I'm going to delete this. Go back to my tool. Say, alright, let me click on display the scanner driver. It says detailed scan settings can be made here. So if I click start, now I get my scan. This is really what I want. So what I want to do is a preview. It's going to scan the item, and then I can crop it afterwards. And you can see the crop image just comes up, so I can just draw it in a little more, right? And I say, okay, I'm done. What kind of DPI? Do I want to change the DPI? No, everything's fine. Output size, I can adjust that. Or we can go to advanced mode and really get into some tweaking. But I'm not going to bother with none of that. Click on simple mode. Let's do the crop thing again. Bring it inside. Yeah, the reason why I lost the settings is because I went to advanced mode, switched back to simple mode, and took it out. Now I click scan. See what this is going to look like. This time it creates it, same subfolder. I click on it. It's all one image. Still got little traces there. I didn't really perfectly crop it, but hey, this is much better than the first one. Now you can do the same thing with all the other settings. Each one of these options, whatever they select, you can go in, like this one here, whatever it is. Make sure the display, the scanner driver is selected. I usually ignore all the rest of this stuff here, except for if I wanted to save it as a JPEG. I would select that, because otherwise, if you don't select it, it will save it as a PDF. Even though you do this, you can tell it to do that. Click scan. Final product is finished. See right there, it made it into a PDF, which is okay. If you want it as a PDF, but most of my images I usually have it as a JPEG, so that's how that works. That's it.